Hey guys, welcome. Today we are in Athens, Greece. And as you can see behind us, we are at the Acropolis and we're going to go check out all of its splendor. Come join us.
Just one photo. When we are in this one, let's make one or two of those.
The ideal time of the year in order to avoid the excessive heat. You cannot imagine how cold it is here with over 100 Fahrenheit.
God of wine.
And is it much busier in the summer?
Yes.
He's already counting as a god. His father was supposed to be the sun god, right?
Ah oui.
Oui, j'imagine. Mais c'est dans le même parc en fait. C'est pas dans le
Well, we made it. It probably took a good half an hour hike, but we are here. Oh my gosh, so amazing.
It was 30 euros a piece
30 euros to get in here.
to get in and take pictures, and there's so much to see.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Fast trip actually up. It's a bunch of stone, and with no railing. Oh my gosh, we were talking. We were never Real. It's like, our last day of 10 days in Greece, 1 day in Turkey. It was a fantastic way to see all of the islands that fit in. And I love the But this by far is just magnificent. Welcome live, guys. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Again, this is this over here behind the tree. As well. It's a beautiful day. With my love.
Hey,
I
babe.
love my love.
Hey, babe.
Siéntate en el muro que te la
È italiana ma non parla italiano. Uruguay. Montero, Cavallo.
We are at the Parthenon. I got your back, babe.
Oh, thanks.
If you want to exit, you can go from this way to it's the same thing. Okay.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Well, guys, we hope you enjoyed the sights of the Parthenon and the Acropolis here in Athens. And what would you say that the pictures here are not going to do it justice? You really have to go see it for yourself, right?
Yes, you do, because there's just so much to see. And there are a lot of rocks and beautiful formations and everything that are actually lower on the ground besides the big, tall pieces. So
Yep.
yeah, it's been great.
Absolutely wonderful. And don't forget, it only costs like 30 euros per person. And plan on spending about 3 hours for the entire sort of trip, depending on how much you want to see and how long you want to stay there.
So if you like this kind of content and you want to follow us around on my bucket list, please hit like and subscribe. That would mean so much to us. And let us know what you think of our travel videos.
Hey guys, we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
We are in Athens, Greece, at the famous Acropolis here. Acropolis.
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 That's where we are today.